Hi guys, welcome back to another trade recap and daily recap because I think I'm going to be done today because unfortunately I can't trade anymore for the rest of the day. So yeah, I took, like everyone in the Discord today, GJ, very frustrating trade, although it was a good loss for me because I managed to hold through all of this price action. So yeah, obviously starting off my bias, I was quite clearly bullish on GJ on the 5 minute time frame anyway. We broke these highs to the left over here. We had, you know, breaks of structure continuously up to the zone. We did have this zone on a straight line, which is why I didn't regard it as an A plus setup. We obviously prefer to see zones at swing points for our trades. So yeah, we have a very nice level of liquidity. Ideally, it could have been a bit lower, but then we have this beautiful straight line movement down to our zone, which is why I was so interested in it. I then get in just before the candle break, which was a really nice entry, so I was aiming for 1 to 2.5. And yeah, I did not go break even here because there was no reason to. We go into clear stake and space and we reverse. However, if I go a bit closer, if price came back into this area of supply and then had this resistance again, we can see that this is obviously getting respected. And if I came straight down to my entry, then I would have gone break even. But the reason I didn't go break even at any point during the trade is because I came up, we then broke these levels to the left here, and we reacted again. We didn't even react into the supply. We just come straight down, and look at this. It's absolutely melted off, which is unfortunate. But yeah, I think as long as you followed your rules during this trade and didn't just go break even because it was near your TP or any of this stuff, then I think you guys can be pretty happy with yourselves for taking this loss. I mean, I'll be taking this trade 9 times out of 10. I am now down on my spreadsheet. I'm down 1% for the 1.5% for the month, which isn't ideal. Taking a win and now 3 losses. No, 2 losses and a break even. So yeah, I mean, it was a frustrating trade. There was a few other trades which I didn't choose to take. I know people like RD wanted to take them, but they weren't quite good enough for me and my personal analysis. We had this GN trade. I predicted this, like I said to you guys in the Discord. I think they're gonna melt down. Unfortunately, GM was gonna melt down to fill all this space on the left here. If we go into higher time frames, we can also see we've reacted off a daily level of supply and order block. We've got a lot of space to fill down here, and I thought it would come down maybe to this daily order block as well, and maybe we will see a retracement to try and see higher prices. But yeah, if we bring out our volume profile as well, we can see that we've got a lot of volume here, which they want to come down into this area particularly, which is exactly why I have this as what would be my TP if I got the correct entry there, but unfortunately it was just too big of a stop loss, so it wasn't worth it for me. And I think it would have maybe hit this area or hit this area of over sold prices and then maybe break a retracement. And we also had this trade on GBP CAD. Again, this was definitely not good enough for me. We have this if I go to the order block here, which people were looking at taking, maybe getting a break candle. For me, I just see ourselves turning bullish from this point over here. We've had this break of structure as well on the 4 hour. And we've also got this area of demand, which I think price will then return from if I'm from my analysis anyway. We've also got like sort of areas here of trend. I don't really use trend lines that often, but we have got a daily trend line, which is quite a strong sign for me to we're going to go long from here, and we can sort of see we're bullish on the daily as well. So yeah, that's sort of my analysis for the day. I am not going to trade anymore for the rest of the day. Hopefully I don't miss many setups, but if you guys have found this useful, want to keep it relatively short, then yeah, just like the video, subscribe, and there's a free Discord in my description, and yeah, go and check it out. It's a free community. I don't charge anything. You can follow my trades. You can just come in and chat to us on the voice chat, and yeah, it'd be cool to see you guys in there. But yeah, I think I'll end it there. But thank you.